how's everyone doing? I hope you all had your lunch already. Well, it's my lunch time, and I was gonna make oatmeal, but I don't have my almond milk anymore, so now I'm going to make my own almond milk. I don't really want to go out. What I have is the unsalted almond. I just got it from Giant, and I soaked it for 4 hours, and then I put 5 cups of water and a little salt. You can actually add vanilla or any other flavor that you want for your almond milk. Then I have it on the alt milk, if you can see. So I'm just gonna, it's gonna be like 5 minutes. This is really going to be loud, okay, but what can I say? What can I do? I want my own almond milk. And almond milk is not the only thing you can do with this. You can also make your own peanut butter, jellies, soup. So yeah, let's see. I mean, not let's see, let's do it. So it is on alt milk, and then 5 minutes, and then I'm just gonna push this. And I just want you to watch how it works.